We would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Ooh, that must be the mail. I wonder what we are going to get today. A giant piñata? From Hairdorables? Wait, that says something new. Hairdorables shortcuts. Does this mean new dolls? 8 surprises inside, series 1. Oh, there's a card. I'm gonna need a ladder. Hey, my froggy stuff. That's me. All new Hairdorables shortcuts. Yes! Scrunchies, confetti, and sisters, oh my! Do you know who are short, sweet, and have big hair, don't care attitudes, just like their big sisters? Get the party started by pulling the streamer on the bottom of the piñata to reveal fun surprises in all new Hairdorables shortcuts. Be sure to pop in a scrunchie and take a selfie to #LittleSis with your shortcut. XOXO Hairdorables shortcuts. 25 little sisters to collect. Oh yeah, let's do this! Whoa! Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Hairdorables shortcuts. They come in a shampoo-shaped bottle with a suggested retail price of $9.99. On the front, it says 25 to collect, 8 surprises inside, Series 1, ages 3 and up. On the back, there is a list of the items included. There's a collector's list, barrette, accessory, signature card, pop tail, scrunchie, insert, and mystery doll. Let's open it up for a closer look. There's a perforated side, so let's pull that. Yay! I did it! Remove the front. Here is our first surprise. It looks like a little backdrop. This must be the insert. On the back, there's a picture of Hairdorables shortcuts, and on the front, we have an arcade scene. That's pretty cool. The shampoo bottle looks like it has a lot of little stages that we have to go through. Starting at the top, we see a number 1, and that is a barrette. It's green, and it has the Hairdorables H right in the middle. The next layer has the number 2, and it is a little scrunchie with dinosaurs on it. I think those are dinosaurs. For surprise number 3, we have green sunglasses and our pop tails. We have a white one and a blue one, and they have little kitty cats on the ends. Behind door number 4, we have our mystery doll. Measuring under 4 inches, she has sculpted hair with 2 little holes in the top. For the pop tails, she has a pink sculpted bodysuit with a painted belt, sculpted lavender and pink shoes. She has articulation at the head and can turn the head from side to side. We can rotate the arms, and she can move at the leg. Place the scrunchie on the doll to use as a skirt. Whoa, we do that too! Give her the glasses. Inside of the shampoo bottle, we also have an attachment to make a stand. Using one of the layers from the bottle, place the insert in the back to make a doll display. Here is the collector's list with a poster on one side and a list of all the dolls on the other. The key at the top says that if the doll has a heart, it is classified as a mini-me, a diamond means it's a signature, and a star means that it's ultra rare. Our shortcut is Stella. That's Neela's little sister, and it is Jurassic Stella. Aww, they have similar hair colors. And here is her signature card. I just noticed that one of the parts of the shampoo bottle looks like a pet bed. Let's open another one. This time we have a light blue barrette. Our second surprise is a little bag of apples and an apple scrunchie. Surprise number 3. Crown Poptails with little curly pink and blue hair. And we got some sparkles in there. And the doll is Cece, Dee Dee's little sister. Here she is, fully dressed. The background looks like a toy store. Good thing too, because it looks like Cece is ready to do some shopping. Cece is in her Vitamin Cece look, which is a signature look. So far, both of our dolls have been in their signature look, but I really want a mini-me. Maybe this time we'll get one. Our background is a miniature golf course. We know that the first one is a barrette. Our second surprise is a yellow scrunchie and a little pet. That is so cute. I think I know whose little sister this is. But I don't want to say just yet. Let's keep going. Surprise number 3, a pair of kitty cat poptails. And the mystery doll is... Dun, 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 dun. Oops, that wasn't very graceful. Okay, there we go. Dog Walkin' Robin, Cat's little sis. This is a mini-me, so yay! I'm on a roll. Let's open the others to see our collection. Whoa! We opened 9 Hairdorables shortcuts and we didn't get any doubles. Yeah! I like the included hair accessories, like the barrettes and the colorful scrunchy skirts. Charlie, Brit's little sis, has a skirt made of pom-poms. Some of the accessories are really cute, like Quinn's little robot and Daisy's bouquet purse. Some have puffs, some have curls, and some have straight hair. The poptails allow you to mix and match their hairstyles, so you can have a lot of fun creating new looks. However, I would have loved to see the little sisters with a full head of rooted hair. I've always loved the Hairdorables hair, and I think they would have been adorable side by side with their big sis. But wait, there's more. You can place the poptails in the barrettes and wear them along with the scrunchies to create your own Hairdorables look. But wait, there's even more! This year, not only do we get Hairdorables shortcuts, but we also get Hairdudeables. Who's your BFF? Let's just do this combination right quick to unlock a whole new collection of Hairdorables. Wow, this is so cool! New Hairdorables Hairdudeables. Over on the side, we can see a couple of the guys. This is Greg, nickname Graphic Greg. His hobby is graphic design and his motto is 1 pixel at a time. This is Logan, nickname Hang 10 Logan. He loves surfing and his motto is just ride the wave. At the bottom, we have Max, nickname Snack Attack Max. His hobby is food vlogging and motto is more cheese, please. Pull up. Hey, my froggy stuff. School's out and so are the all-new #Hairdudeables. Check out their locker to get to know your newest BFFs, Greg, Logan, and Max. Their cool style and friendship is second to none. Each of our best dude friends have a look and passion that is unique to them, and they are totally #style goals. Each surprise dude comes with an exclusive Hairdorables BFF. Have fun and make the friendship last forever. Peace, love, Hairdudeables. We've got 2 to check out today. The BFF 2-pack with an exclusive Callie and the BFF 2-pack with an exclusive Dee Dee. These have a suggested retail price of $24.99 and they will be available in August of 2019. I like how we can see their BFF on the side, but the Hairdudeable is a mystery. There are 6 dudes to collect across Series 1 and 13 surprises inside. On the back of the box, there are pictures of all the dudes. At the bottom, there is a list of items that are for the girls and a list that are for the dudes. We can expect to find a doll in an outfit and shoes, a signature card, 1 accessory, 2 accessories, 2 doll stands, a collector list, 2 stickers, 1 accessory, 2 accessories, shoes, signature card, and a dude in an outfit. Let's meet our first BFF. Pull to open. Okay. Open here. There is a scene on the side that opens up. It looks like school. Absolutely love this. The floor lays down, and there are cardboard cutouts that pop up, creating an instant scene for our dudes. The collector's list says Hairdudeables on one side and has a list of all of the guys and girls on the other. I don't see a key for availability, so our chances are pretty good to collect the whole set. For the girls, there is D Dessert, Game On Callie, Surfs Up Noah, Racin' Rain, Stencil Sally, and Willow Cakes. For the dudes, there is Graphic Greg, Hangton Logan, Snack Attack Max, Gamer Greg, Lockin' Logan, and Barbecuin' Max. So there are 3 different dude characters with 2 different looks. The doors are numbered, so let's start with door number 1. Pull out the bag, and this looks like a doll stand. Assemble the stand, open the bag, and we have a signature card, which I don't want to look at because I want to be surprised, and a pair of shoes. It's a pair of white tennis shoes with pink, blue, and yellow details. Door number 2, we will find another doll stand, okay? And another bag. The bag is perforated, so it's easy to open. A game controller, I think, and some stickers. Behind door number 3, we will find, oops, another sticker. Is that giving it away? Oh, this looks like a book bag. It's a little blue gamer book bag, and there's a picture on the front. The straps wrap around and hook on the sides. That's a really cute little detail. Let's open door number 4. At this point, I'm pretty much thinking it's Greg, the one who's all into graphic design. Our surprise this time is, looks like a barrette. Yeah, it's like a giant hair barrette and a little digital purse. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. What's behind this door? More stuff to open! So we gotta take this out of the little space. There we go. And the moment we've all been waiting for! Our Hairdudeable, Greg. Oh, and his signature card was included with him. So the first one must have been for Callie. We would have been safe if we had looked at it. So this is Gamer Greg. His hobby is video game design, and he wants to be the ultimate gamer. He's rocking a pink and black mohawk with blue flocking on the sides. He wears a digital print shirt with a ribbon tie, black pants with blue and yellow details. And his eyes are 2 different colors. Here is his BFF Callie. She wears a pink and blue jacket with an undershirt. They are all one piece and Velcro in the back. She wears pink and purple pants, similar to Greg's, boots with 2 different colored laces. We placed the green hair bow in her hair and finished her look with the digital purse. Up next, let's see who is Dee Dee's best friend. Pull the tab, open the side, and we got the same background. Behind door number 1, we have a green doll stand and a pair of shoes. A red pair of shoes and Dee Dee's signature card. Door number 2 has our other doll stand and an apron and stickers. Door number 3 has another sticker and a little cell phone or tablet that looks like it has a wooden case with a cheese and veggie plate on the back. Door number 4. It feels like we have a lot of stuff in this one. Maybe some glasses. If I could tear it open. Let's get scissors. Okay, now. It feels like glasses and yes, desserts glasses along with an ice cream cone. Yay! I really wanted this accessory. And it's time for the big reveal. Our Hairdudeable is... Go ahead and guess. And now we're gonna see if you are right. Here we go. Max. This is Snack Attack Max. And it looks like he's wearing a chef's uniform with pizza on the front. He has on black pants with flames at the bottom. He has curly hair and it's shaved on the sides. Let's give him the apron and the tablet so he can do a little vlogging. Max's BFF, D Desserts, has 3-tone hair with a light teal blue, brown, and pink. She wears teal and brown heart-shaped glasses with little red hearts on the side, a dress that totally reminds you of ice cream, high white socks and brown shoes, and she carries a large triple scoop of ice cream. Hairdorables are usually $12.99 for one, but with the 2-pack you're paying $24.99, so you save about $1. Well, if you were gonna buy 2 Hairdorables anyway. I think the Hairdudeables are a perfect addition to the Hairdorables line, with fun hairstyles and fashion. When compared to the rest of the line, Hairdudeables do not disappoint. I will definitely keep an eye out for the other guys to finish my collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Like the snow.